My favorite. Things in life don't cost any money. It's really clear that the most precious resource we all have is time. If today were the last day of your life, would you want to do what you are about to do today? Have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow know what you truly want to become. I think if you do something and it turns out pretty good, then you should go do something else wonderful. Not dwell on it for too long. Just figure out what's next.
Getting fired from Apple was the best thing that could have ever happened to me. The heaviness of being successful was replaced by the lightness of being a beginner again. It freed me to enter one of the most creative periods of my life. Quality is more important than quantity. One home run is much better than 2 doubles. Things don't have to change the world to be important. Creativity is just connecting things. When you ask creative people how they did something, they feel a little guilty, because they didn't really do it. They just saw something. It seemed obvious to them after a while. Remembering that you are going to die is the best way I know to avoid the trap of thinking you have something to lose. You are already naked. There is no reason not to follow your heart.
I'm as proud of many of the things we haven't done as the things we have done. Innovation is saying no to 1,000 things.
I am convinced that about half of what separates successful entrepreneurs from the non-successful ones is pure perseverance. Sometimes when you innovate, you make mistakes. It is best to admit them quickly and get on with improving your other innovations. We're just enthusiastic about what we do. The people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do. That's been one of my mantras. Focus and simplicity. Simple can be harder than complex. You have to work hard to get your thinking clean to make it simple. Be a yardstick of quality. Some people aren't used to an environment where excellence is expected. Technology is nothing. What's important is that you have a faith in people, that they're basically good and smart, and if you give them tools, they'll do wonderful things with them. Being the richest man in the cemetery doesn't matter to me. Going to bed at night saying we've done something wonderful, that's what matters to me. My model for business is the Beatles. They were 4 guys that kept each other's negative tendencies in check. They balanced each other, and the total was greater than the sum of the parts.